what does it cost for you guys to create and deliver your kits? I know some agencies at times do question the value and maybe the initial cost of it. So maybe kind of tie that with also what you've seen maybe with any client feedback or any kind of new business impact as well, if you don't mind.
Yeah, of course. Like I mentioned earlier, we do the cost depends on what items we're sending out. So when we have a little bit, like those face masks are a little bit more of a high value item. And so it tends to increase the cost of it. But typically it's about $20 to send out, the box of the welcome kit. And right now, a bulk of that, which we're trying to, make another change is that the postage on that is about $8.40. So it's quite expensive in just that matter. But with that said, we have seen a lot of great client feedback from this. So we definitely want to continue this. We're just trying to find ways to alter it. I did pull up here a couple of reviews that people had left us, specifically mentioning the welcome kit. One from a client that works in the insurance industry. She said, I've worked in the industry for years, and what the team at Davidson Associates is doing is night and day from the rest. Their agents are not only very genuine, but I believe that they are truly helping the community. And I know this because of the information in their new client welcome kits. It just blew me away. Awesome job. And the second one that we got was, I liked that they highlight and support community organizations as well as their internal staff. Truly, I've only ever had excellent experiences with this local company, and their newsletter and client communications are actually very fun to read. So that was, very fun for for us. One of the things that we try to do is make reading about insurance fun. And so to hear that it was fun for them was a very good note.